This fantastic example of an iconic Type 2 is ready to be won by you. It's finished in striking white with matching steel wheels and chrome hubcaps, but it still has that classic early base styling. This stunning camper has undergone a fully documented rebuild in the late 1990s, and now it wants to be on your driveway. So for your chance to win and spend the summer in style, head over to the Bridge Classic Cars website today and get your ticket. Good luck!